say the offroad your panel on na ye piano or so boa the oboan ho nti Paulino multimedia de onim say ye baha obi a obon ho modern wo entertainment industry nim bia no ye de ne ba na ya hwefo moso mahunu na anyway anyhow obi a mbesi a supporting ni bia na modern modo a kire say nipa no nti na de bia ka kire say aha aye Paulino multimedia so on subscribe ya subscribe because a YouTube urban channel in Africa so what you say obi a obon ho modern bia na de ne ba whether rap whether dancing whether singing anyway bia entertainment world din there ye the bro and a quick one nipa me den there bro no I mean me hu ye no ejemensa ejemensa to be honest with you it's not easy and you might be say intense how many celebs are Ghana and superstars in the world they follow first question I mean no how many stars are more Ghana has seen superstars in the world if follow especially the American arts if follow and say December muna Cardi B ye ba Ghana and you who say superstars no ekoho onimu bia so ati say and then right after so call you know follow one or two people because of bad down to be who they wo and say any who say Shatawale eso ne Beyonce etimi collabo and it's a big plus but Beyonce crown one follow Shatawale it's a good thing it's a big deal but one follow on Instagram but ye kodai ye sorry boom DJ Khaled a posti obi a ye friend no game changer ye nyina ye nim say ye friend Juvenile a dancer of course from Ghana proud Kumasi boy a whole DJ Khaled they be a dino Anthony DJ Khaled a whole DJ Khaled I posted Juvenile just like that I'll go like am I dreaming I say me Sunday and me kita me phone na me na me Instagram na mago one answer so quickly I have to go on Juvenile's page na me ko check it say I am passing the mimi who DJ Khaled page no is it for real because mimi who in China about 20 minutes ago like that is that thing for real me call Juve page and I'm who say Juvenile so post me my friend of Man Juve Man Juve also I post so I was like wow we and I say Juvenile because Juvenile you be a me wo JHS na Juvenile you be osa or ye dancer wajidin wo Ghana ni Kumasi especially Kumasi na wajidin that time na mistakes and asa battles na e wo so pa ti mo JHS afin na ma start editing mistakes obi onim me bia enim sa de no nti me ko share Juvenile I think early me SHS I think me form 1 Kumasi Academy and I'm go many Juvenile team mpu and then from there no ye vibe na Juve awards Juve performance minim obi a wako Kumasi school from that 2006 to maybe 14 15 no onim Juvenile any background one go school Kumasi because every entertainment bia some program am be free Juvenile am na besa ti ye nyina na ye hwe na asa osa no hip hop eno na osa the hip hop style of dancing no nye azunto the hip hop style of dancing no eno na osa nti no wonder say na Ghana ha on dominate because we don't follow hip hop that much sa ko de money 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 hip hop and these people are not calling him and the me fa akonya we so aka Kensak Edem and all these people and say DJ Khaled they follow Juvenile. I'm not saying say DJ Khaled they follow Nintina Koyisu Juvenile, but Juvenile is one of the best dancers. I know say Floating Stone not or Juvenile esa on videos music videos in one or two be that is a plus, but this is the time I make catch you I must say mum pushi na mum fa Juve into happens because DJ Khaled, the way was supposed to and a caption now afraid DJ be say, did you see this? I'm hoping to say or what to say, oh screaming and all team now her or the post here because the caption the exciting no we read there unya wom so I say so it's a big plus. I know say Sarko the Edem EL Floking Stone Papi Kojo, I mean the hip hop artists no Donzi Chaka, I mean obi oye hip hop bia or Ghana ha bia na I think that this is the time oye music video and I say oye tracker obetim the amagivino na wasay so o postina. I mean, anya hwekra no posti a DJ Khaled so ebi hu o video and I say onyoma waye so people will start following you as well. Yen nyina yen win mo. I think there is a Ghana win. Yen mien mane nye say baby ba akode. I was talking to Juvenile. Then some of catch me ne bi ni. O say na DJ Khaled ene ne test it. I think o posti ye no na numero and obisa na say do we have a media in Ghana? Do you have a media? Do you have a media in Ghana? He said, yeah, we have a media in Ghana. And Obisa said, why the media is not posting those videos? You understand? Why the media is not posting those videos? And then they also catch her now and say, yeah, if you must start hearing a posting and then time factor and see. Ojidisen enkofo be so be posting. Big ups to man like Zion Felix say what posting I will show love to your brother like Juvenile. I mean Juvenile to the map. We all bloggers have to post. Ne share na DJ Khaled and I say the outside world ne say we have big dreams and big things in Ghana here because already Shatawale is going, Stonebwoy is going, Sarkodie is going. So if our dancers also going now, I think it's a big plus for Ghana and then the entertainment world as well. Yamwa na yum pushy so we all can get there. We intina me betina ha me kasa bebree. So if you don't know who I'm talking to, Man Juvenile, no, he is one of the best dancers. I'll try and post the video be right after this video, no. So say you can also watch. Midiane Armstrong Paulino Ade ubetimi follow on Instagram paulino_com. Na was subscribe to your YouTube channel no na. Wa click here on bell notifications so that be anytime be able to post the video be you get it straight. Peace out.